Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I will show you how to turn a messy vertical list into a clean table range in Excel. I will cover both situations, a list without blank cells and a list with blank cells. This is very useful when your data is stored in one single column, but it should actually be arranged into multiple columns. To turn this list into a range, select an empty cell where you want to place the result. Then enter the formula. Equals WRAPROWS, left bracket. Select A1 to A18. Enter a comma, 3, right bracket. The number 3 means each row will contain 3 cells. So every 3 items from the original list will become one row in the new range. Then press enter. Now Excel automatically wraps the list into rows, with 3 items in each row. This is the simplest native Excel method when your list is clean and does not contain blank cells. The results created by formulas are dynamic. This means the generated range is still connected to the original list, and it will update automatically if the source data changes. If you want to edit the generated range directly, you need to make it static first. Select the result range, copy it, and then paste it as values. Now the range is no longer linked to the formula, and you can edit the cells freely. Now let's look at another situation, where there are blank cells between each record. In this case, we should use the filter function first to remove the blank cells. Select an empty cell. Then enter this formula. In this formula, filter first removes all blank cells from the list. The number 3 still means each row should contain 3 items. Now press enter. WRAPROWS turns the remaining values into a range with 3 columns. The filter part also makes this method more flexible. You can also use it to filter out other text or values you do not want before wrapping the list into a range. For example, in this list, we have repeated titles like name, department, and email. To remove these values, enter this formula. Press enter. Now Excel removes the repeated titles first. Then WRAPROWS arranges the remaining values into a clean range with 3 columns. If you think formulas are hard to remember, or you want an easier interface solution, you can use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, select the single column list you want to convert. Then go to the Kutools tab, click Range, and choose Transform Range. In the dialog box, select Single Column to Range. Then choose the option that matches your data. If blank cells are used to separate each record, choose Blank Cell Delimits Records. If you want to split the list by a specific number of cells, choose Fixed Value, and enter that number. For example, if each record has 3 items, enter 3. Next, decide whether you want to keep the original formatting after the list is transformed. Then click OK. Choose where you want to place the result, and click OK again. Now the vertical list is converted into a range directly, without writing any formulas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.